Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel, the CRM Carpenters. In this video, today I'm going to show you how you can visualize more effectively your data using charts, pivot table, and dashboards. Now to begin with, we're going to access the Zoho Analytics, an application made by Zoho. So we have no workspace yet, so I want to let you know that the Zoho Analytics lets you connect to a wide range of data sources wherein you can upload or import your data from local files or from cloud storage and other Zoho applications, and also in some customized applications. So let's start by uploading a Excel file from our local drive or local file. We have to give a name for our workspace. Let's say project management, and select the file type of your file and choose file to upload. Then click next. View the data and click next. Now you can see that the columns and rows are categorized by the header, and the data type of each column are also identified here. Then click create and close. There is a ready prepared dashboard generation, which you can proceed here. The auto generate reports. Just click yes to proceed and close this if you're not going to generate a automatic dashboards or reports. Now you can see that the file from the local file that we have imported are all located here in this table, and we can also create a chart by or based from this data. Just click the plus button here and create new, then select new chart view. Now from the data we have in our data source, you can just drag and drop here. If you drag here in the x-axis, the date will be located in the bottom, and if we drag something here into the y-axis, the data will be located into the left part of the chart. Now let's say to drag and drop the progress in the y-axis, and drag the project name to the text and select the year or the date. This will be the actual values. Let's select full date, so every date that we have in our data source are displayed by the full date format that we selected here. Then if you are through or finalize your data that you need to display on the chart, just click generate the graph. Now you can see that the progress are located in the left part and or in the y-axis, and the dates are displayed here in the bottom or the x-axis. So we can also change the view or the type of chart that you want to. There are a lot of charts that we can choose from. Let's say we can select this bar chart, and it will automatically change the format of the chart from those dots and with lines into the bar. Let's say we can name this by total progress chart and hit save. Click OK, and your chart has already saved, and click the view mode. Now this is how you simply create a chart. And next thing is, let's create a pivot table. Just click again the plus button here and select new pivot view. Now, just like creating a chart, you can also just drag and drop here the data you need to display in your pivot table. So let's drag the project name here in the rows and the progress in the data. Then we can generate the pivot, and it will show the percentage of the project that we had in from the start date and the end date of this Excel file. Then let's give a name for the pivot table. Project progress, and click save. Here is the view mode of the pivot table we have just created. We can also add a formula here, just like when you are working in a Excel file. We can also create a formula that display the difference from a date to another date. Just click here the button add and click formula column. Now this will bring here to here, and this, let's give the formula column name for days required. There's a lot of function that we can use in creating a formula column, but for now we're going to choose the function date difference. So the date difference will count the gap from a date to another date. Now for the function, we will also select the column, so it will be from the end date. Then how can you select another column? So you need to put a comma in between the two dates that we're going to use. Then click save. Now you can see that there is another column added with a formula that finds the difference from the end date to the start date. So we go on and move on to the dashboard. There's no dashboard yet, so let's click create new dashboard. This is how easy we're going to create a dashboard. Just a drag and drop function. Just drag here and select this fill, and it will fill the spaces from the left and the right. And then we can add another chart here, and just click here fill, and it will automatically fill out the spaces to the right. And the project management onto the top, and also fill it. And there you have it. You have made a dashboard. We can also add some widget, text, and image in your dashboard. Let's try creating a widget. Then we have to choose the data column. Let's choose progress and group by project name, and select the primary value should be displayed in average. And there you have it. You can also customize the color of or the font and everything. Let's try to apply a color to your widget. Then you can also create a text for the title, project management, and increase the font size. Adjust the format and keep it a bold format, and center it. We can also put a color to the background of your title or to your text. And there you have it. You can also add image or embedded code in your dashboard. And let's save everything that we have done, and let's go to a view mode. Now there you have it. Thank you for watching this video. See you again to our next video.